Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new earning website. You can earn Bitcoin, Litecoin, TRX and USDT, which you can get instant withdraw in your faucet pay account. So don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand and script can get error. So let's move to our video. First off, you have required website link which is in description. You can directly go from there. Okay, so here you can see the interface of website. You can earn up to 1000 TRX per day as well. Okay, so here you can see earning option and how much they paid to users in 146 days. Okay, so now we run all of these in Termux, so don't skip video. First off, you have need to create account, so just click on register. Create your account by provide here email address, username, password, then confirm password and scroll down, solve here captcha, then just click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. Okay, here you can see my account is logged in successful. You can check out my total earning. I already got withdrawal from this side, and to show you how you can get withdraw, I will show you the live payment proof. So don't skip video, that's why you can't understand. So here you can see I have available now 3858 tokens, which you can get instant withdraw in Bitcoin, TRX, USDT and Litecoin, Dogecoin as well, and XRP Ripple. So now I will get withdraw in Bitcoin. Okay, so select currency BTC. So just scroll down, put here total amount which you have available. Minimum withdraw is 10 token, which you can earn in just 1 kilometer as well. Okay, so I will get now 90 Bitcoin Satoshis. So just provide here your faucet pay email address on which you want to get withdraw. Okay, then solve H captcha or V captcha. Okay, so just verify you are not a bot. Okay, then just click on withdraw. Okay, here you can see good job, you have sent a withdrawal. Okay, successfully. So let's check in history, and my faucet pay account it's sent or it will get some time. So first check in history, then we will check my faucet pay account. Okay, go to the history. You can see the withdrawals. Here you can see it's in pending. When it will be paid, I will update on my community tab on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my channel for getting latest and instant update about website payment proof and new videos and new script as well. And also you can join my Telegram channel. So in the end, if it paid, I will show you. Otherwise, I will update on my YouTube channel community. Okay, so now how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, so just click on menu bar. Here is a many earning option like manual faucet, made faucet and PTC. We will run all of three in Termux. You don't have need to work on this website manually. Okay, so now go to the dashboard. You can earn unlimited through Termux. Okay, so now you have required script file to run this website in Termux. So script file directly not provided in description, so you have need to download manually. So go to your browser, then search ubktech.online. Okay, here you can see search my website ubktech.online. Okay, so just search it, then here you will see first post. So open this post, you will get your script file in this post. Okay, or if you are watching this video after many days, so you can search from here just earn crypto. So just search it, earn crypto, then click on search button. Okay, here you can see the first post. You can check out thumbnail and name as well, you can read it. So just open this post. In article you will see script button in red word. So just click on script will be download. After downloading script file, open your any Explorer APK which you use. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, here you can see script file in zip format. First off, you have need to unzip it. So long press on script file, then click on more and click on extract. Now click on OK. Script file is successful. Open the folder. Then long press on folder, click on more and click on properties. Now click on copy full path. Okay, script location copied successfully. Now go back and open Termux. So if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on Telegram channel. You can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram. I will provide you there. If you don't know how to install basic command, video link given description, fully guided in this video. You can check out. Okay, after installing basic commands, continue your process by following my method. cd space tested script location, then just press enter, type ls, enter, then type php space bot.php, then just press enter. Okay, so now here you have need to choose API key. So select second option, API key level, because it's free and you will get 5 rubber balance as well. So second option 2, then just press enter. So now provide here your account email address on which you create your application website account. Okay, so provide here email address. Okay, then just press enter. So now provide here your account password, then just press enter. So now provide here your wallet if you want to get withdraw from Termux, or you can get withdraw manual as well. So leave it. If you want to provide here your fast pay email address, so just provide here, otherwise leave it, then press enter. So now here you have required API key. So how you can get API key? API key bot link given description. So just click on it. You will redirect to Telegram. So join Telegram bot. You will get 5 rubber balance as well and API key. So copy this API key and paste here your API key. If API key balance will be end, you can recharge it easily via any crypto network. Okay, so just provide here your API key, then just press enter. So now wait for connect account. Okay, here you can see my account is connected successfully, showing 0 tokens because I got withdraw. So here you can run auto faucet. If you have energy you can run, otherwise leave it. Then here is the second option. You can get check in balance, PTC, faucet and made faucet. You can run all of these in one claim. Okay, so just press 2, then just press enter. So now wait for start our claiming. So here you can see already checking today. So now it will run auto PTC, then it will run faucet, then it will run made faucet as well. Okay, so just wait to claim. Okay, here you can see I got 35 tokens from PTC ads. Here you can see I have only one PTC which is run. Okay, so now it will run faucet and made faucet. So here you can see Skit is working successfully and smoothly. So if you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.